Right now at 4:30, we are bringing you a brand new effort hoping to reduce the impact that HIV has here on the Atlanta community.
That's right. So according to the latest CDC report, Metro Atlanta has the third highest HIV rate in the country. And Liza Lucas reports that Grady Health System is trying to combat that by delivering care where it's needed most.
Acquired immune deficiency syndrome.
There was a time HIV/AIDS dominated the headlines, but much has changed in the decades since. Eric Paul Loya is vice president of HIV services at the Ponce de Leon Center in Atlanta. He says part of the problem right now, we're no longer talking about it.
I think we encounter a lot of folks in our communities and around that are kind of like, wait, HIV is still a thing? I thought that was the 90s. But HIV is unfortunately alive and well in the South.
Since the 1980s, the Ponce Center has offered comprehensive treatment for those living with HIV/AIDS. The center, part of the Grady Health System, filling a critical need in Atlanta.
Fulton and DeKalb have the highest HIV new infection rate in the entire nation. And so it's really important that we are right here. But it also means that we got to be more accessible.
Loya says the tools to end the epidemic, like medication to treat people and prevent the virus's spread, are readily available. But access remains a problem for some. That's why Grady is now expanding HIV services into neighborhood health centers. Starting with East Point, the plan is to break down barriers, whether it's transportation issues or the stigma that still exists.
I feel like nobody talked about it when I was growing up.
Justine Davenport was born HIV positive. She rarely spoke about her status, but says working at Grady changed that.
Coming to Grady and realizing that a lot of my patients are living in the dark. They feel like they are less than, they feel like they're unable to do things, and I just don't think that's fair.
Justine, part of the plan to flip that narrative. As Grady expands HIV services into the community, Justine will be there too, talking to others, proof of the life possible.
We need to spread the information and make sure we're getting patients into care.
Yeah, so Grady's Ponce de Leon Center currently serves around 8,000 patients with HIV prevention and treatment care every year. As the team branches out to the community health centers, they'll be able to reach hundreds more. And we've got even more resources online when it comes to prevention and testing. You can check this story out at 11alive.com.